What's up, guys? Good morning. Uncle Savage back for another video. Currently here at the plug-in spot. We'll do a couple of casts before we go work today. Shout out to Pelagic Gear for fitting me up with the most comfortable dry fits ever. We get a couple of lures we're going to cast today. Try and get lucky. So stay tuned. We're about to walk on the wall. What's up, gang? Thank you for tuning in for one more video. I'd like to thank everyone that's been liking and subscribing to my YouTube. It really helped me get up there. I'm going to try my best to push out some good content for you guys. So let's get straight into the action. No more waiting. Let's go. Blowing up right there. Sucker. Oh, neighbors. Three, two, one, Hanapa. Yeah. Got him. Get away from that reef, you fucker. Hooked up. Good size on. Nice OMILU. Yes, sir, Ross. Oh, what's up? Thank you, brother.
I know, I just water them. Oh, nice one.
Mahalo, bro. Sure. Nice OMILU.
It's the one. The cast, boy, you got a cast.
Beautiful fish. He was stuck. Wasn't going nowhere. Chee. Nice OMILU. Yeah. Oh, you turn on plug, no one. I thought you had a warmer. So guys, that's the end of this video. I know it's kind of short and sweet, but I lost a little bit footage on accidentally delete them, so it's my fault. But once again, thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. It's gonna really help me out, get my videos up there. So, but until the next episode, guys, stay tuned. Fish safe. Aloha.